Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can check that your hard drive or SSD health is okay or it is going to be bad with your system or it is going to fail on your system. So you can check it with the help of command prompt, and I will show you also how you can prevent and how you can use its uses and how you can check its life. Run the cmd as admin on your Windows, and the simple command you have to enter is wmic space disk drive space get space status. Press this command on here and press enter on your keyboard, and if you see the status is okay, so that means the sign is here. The few signs you will see here like okay in my case, so my SSD is healthy and its health is okay. But if you see fail, that means that it is about to fail and giving you the warning. But if it says that it is bad or error, the drive is bad and you have to simply replace it. But the questions will be on your mind that how you can prevent it and how you can check the current status and the life of your SSD. So there is the setting for you as well in Windows. Click on system start menu and then open system settings, and then you will see here storage. Windows 10 and 11 you will get the same options under the storage here. Scroll down and look for the option which says advanced storage setting, and now you will see here disk and volumes. Open the disk and volumes, and now you will see here disk 0 is connected here. Look for the disk, how many disks you have and its letter. So open your disk management here. Now I have connected disk 0 here. If you have multiple disks, so you can check one by one here like this. So this is all the partitions inside my this disk 0. So you can open its properties, the disk properties, and this is the all details: model number, serial, SSD, bus type, NVMe, or whichever type you have. Scroll it down and there is the option for you drive health. Estimated remaining life 96%. That means my 4% is its life is already passed out and I have got 96% life of this my SSD. But if you see the life is about to finish like 1 to 2% or maybe 3%, that means that you get the information that your drive is about to fail on your Windows. But you can keep it intact, take the backup, and see if that is still working for you or not, since that is up to the hardware. If after the remaining life is over, it may run, but most of the cases it will fail. So it's better to back up all the data from that disk, and you can also replace that disk. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. Please let me know in the comment box if this video is valuable for you. So thank you, thanks for watching.